Ramadan, the holiest month in the Islamic calendar, is just around the corner. It's a time for reflection, prayer, and self-discipline. Are you ready for Ramadan 2023? Ramadan 2023 is expected to begin on April 2nd, depending on the sighting of the moon. With just a few weeks left, it's important to start preparing for this blessed month. Preparing for Ramadan involves physical and spiritual preparation. Start by adjusting your sleep and meal schedule to prepare for suhoor and iftar. Spiritual preparation involves increasing your recitation of the Quran, increasing your prayers, and doing good deeds. Make a plan for how you will accomplish these goals. Set achievable goals for yourself. This could include reading a certain amount of Quran every day, attending Taraweeh prayers at the mosque, or performing additional acts of kindness and charity. Remember, Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's about self-improvement, strengthening your faith, and helping those in need. Finally, use this opportunity to strengthen your relationships with family and friends. Break your fast with loved ones, and use this time to reflect on the blessings that Allah has bestowed upon us. Ramadan is a time of reflection, prayer, and self-discipline. With proper preparation, it can be a transformative experience. May Allah guide us on the right path and bless us in this life and the hereafter.